As you can hear, it's raining. It's been raining all day. It's about 12:30 right now. Decided to turn this into an all-day sit. It's fairly comfy in here. A little bit of a water leak, but nothing I can't handle. Slightly on the chilly side, but again, nothing major. There's been a lot of movement so far. Getting good video has been difficult. I didn't do a very good job of trimming up around the back, and that's where the activity was early. But I've gotten a couple bucks on camera anyway, so anyways, yeah, I'll be here till dark. It's supposed to rain like this all the way until dark, so hopefully it stops so I can get out of here and get to the pickup. So tomorrow, wind's supposed to shift, and I will be sitting in a new stand we put up this weekend. Pretty excited about it. It doesn't seem like a lot of activity, but when there's activity, it's the big ones during the day. So perfect wind for it, and I mean, hopefully it doesn't come down to it. Hopefully something comes by pretty quick where we're at, but